Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be finally painting this Subaru Forester that was from the auction that had got wrecked and chassis bent. We already taped up the car, put tarp, and the car is ready to get wax and grease remover and throw some paint on the car. So let's get straight into it. Make sure you like, subscribe, let me know all your comments down below. Let's get straight to the video. So we first started to pour paint and mix it with the reducer 1:1. And then we poured it inside a paint cup with the strainer, as you should do it. And it's time to paint. Now we started to paint the car. This is our first coat. Started with the bumper because the bumper we used black primer instead of gray because we ran out of gray. And yeah, this is our first coat. Now before you guys say anything in the comments, we are just blending in with the doors and fenders because they have just little pieces of primer where we just do primer or Bondo on. So we're just blending everything, and then at the end when we finish blending, we'll do one coat of paint and then 2 coats of clear on everything, so everything will look OEM and factory. Now we're throwing some clear. This is some Nathan clear if I'm not mistaken, and if I'm not mistaken it's also a 4:1, and we're throwing clear. That's how the first 2-3 coats of paint came out. now we're gonna paint throw clear on the headlight because it's very foggy. And yeah, we'll see how that turns out. We already sanded it with 2000. Look at that. And the wind is not cooperating with us today, now isn't it? Hopefully it comes out good. This clear is super nice and thick. Oh no. Headlight is turning out pretty nice. Alrighty, so we just got finished painting the car. We're washing it real quick, and it came out pretty good. We blended the doors, so it like that matches the factory paint. The rear bumper has a little bit of drip with the clear, but that's alright. That can buff out, and yeah, came out pretty good. Now, alrighty, so now we're sanding the car, so we can buff the car, sanding down the clear. If I'm not mistaken, we're using 1000 or 1200. You could use a 2000. And we started to buff the hood. No. So off camera, my dad sanded and buffed the whole car. Looks pretty good. The picture will be in the thumbnail. Car came out like brand new glass. That's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and check out my link tree in the description below. Hope you guys enjoy, and I have to catch you in the next video. Peace and God bless.